nigga, ice me out. Ice me out.
So first I'm starting out with antique bronze in my crease, and I'm building this up on both my inner corner and outer corner. Today we're going for a more circular blown out look, not an angled or cat eye type of effect. I want this to be a really icy, flawless type of look. So everything's going to be focused in a circular motion, more like a halo effect. So I'm just going to keep building up that color, antique bronze, on both sides. And I'm doing this several times just because this color is more of a satin and not a matte. So it takes a little minute to build it up because it has kind of like little reflexes in it. So it's probably meant to be like a lid shade or something, but yeah, I built up this color in my crease. Next, I took an angle brush and I'm using that to put the color Boun Fresco right below that, and I'm doing the same exact thing with Boun Fresco that I did with the antique bronze. And like I said, we're going on both inner and outer corners, and then I'm going to take a clean brush and blend those two together as soon as I'm finished. And then I'm going back in with the antique bronze just to make sure the color wasn't lost. And then I will be going in with a clean blending brush to blend the two together. On my lid, we're going to go in with the color Vermeer. It's not a really bold shimmer, it's more like a subtle, but I'm going to build this up for it to peek through. So I'm going to place that in the middle of my lid and not the entire lid. I'm going right below the crease and in the middle of my lid in a circular type of oval shape, just so that color can peek through all the other colors. And then I'm going to go right around it to re-blend in the colors that were in the crease and below the crease. So I'm letting that peek through by re-blending Vermeer with the Boun Fresco and antique bronze, and I'm blending these colors on the outer and inner corner of the lid as well. Like I said, I want this to peek through like a pop of ice as opposed to just like a full-blown lid color. So basically this look is just filled with a bunch of adding and blending, then adding again, then blending, just so we can get the perfect combination of color. And then just to add a little pop of something, I'm going into the crease with Venetian red. So this is just going to give you a little bit pop of color without it being over exaggerated. It just gives a little oomph to the look, I think. And then I'm taking a clean blending brush again and just blending that out, just so it can give a more blown out effect without it leaving that long line that I put there. I'm using the brush directly, the head of the brush directly onto my eye, holding it flat against my crease just so I can continuously blend it out. And then I'm going back in with the lid color again, and like I said, we're adding and then blending, then adding and blending, and that's just the process until we're done. You want to just keep on doing it until it gets to the look, your desired look. You don't want to just leave it. And then I'm going in with another clean blending brush and blending that out. Like I said, we're going for a peak of ice, not really, over exaggerated type of ice. So I did both eyes, and I'm just going in to prime my face, and I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Maybeline Super Stay in the color Truffle. So I'm going to speed through the face part because it's not really the focus of the video, and I'll list everything below. Going back to the eyes, and I'm putting that same Venetian red color and I'm pressing it against my lash line, and I'm using this like a eyeliner kind of thing, and I'm using a small blend brush to do this, and I'm basically just pressing it against my lash line and then smudging that out. So I'm not smoking it out anywhere above, I'm just literally pressing it as close to my lash line as possible, and then after that I'm going to take and next I took Antique Bronze and I did it the same exact way, and instead of pressing it I'm just using that to blend out the Venetian red. And on my lower lash line I'm using that angle blending brush to take Antique Bronze, and I'm putting that on the outer corner, and then I'm going in with Venetian red again and just putting that against my waterline. I'm setting my face with Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender to press in the product a little bit more, just to make sure it's more skin-like. And for lashes, I'm just going to use mascara. And this is the L'Oreal Telescopic, the gold packaging. It's the color or black. Inner corner, I'm just taking that same exact lid color that we used, Vermeer, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. And now I'm just applying some blush from e.l.f. It's the lightest color in their e.l.f. blush, their quad blush palette. And now I'm just blending it out, and then I'm taking Hustla Baby from Fenty Beauty and highlighting the high points of my cheeks. I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Liquid Lipstick in the color Ashton and a brown lip liner, and then right over that I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London. And that's the finished look. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me do this icy berry ice queen subtle glam,
10 white toes, none toy flip-flops, manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters.